Here's a new updated version of my room. I just got done trying to make a video. It said I had to make it shorter. That's an autograph tool. Kicks ass. Full scrotum. Had the habits. These glass pieces used to go on the slot machines, but now they're all fancy schmancy, and my dad was telling me it might be worth some money someday. That'd be cool. Some cool things there as I enter my room. 9-inch nails down there. Shelf full of deep sea dive dolls. I know my cousins and friends would love to see this. People I dive with. This particular G.I. Joe is the kind of helmet we use when we go diving. Little tiny divers. Cool things. Here's my deep sea dive lamp. Jeff Choke keeps on Indian trading me for it. My dad had that since the early 80s. He gave that to me. Metallica, Alice in Chains, Indian Killing a Buffalo, old advertisements, 9-inch nails. My Tower of Power here. It's just a lamp. Got some cool things on there. My pig had habits. That's a float underneath that dive helmets. Floats. Die-cast cars. So we got Black Americana. Weird crazy stuff. First year this came out, had to buy it. It's beautiful. Don't ask how much it was. You gotta laugh. But it's badass. I got the stickers in a box. This thing's in mint condition. This one's not in mint condition. This is a cool crash car. I had to clear that shelf out. I got a funny car and the Dracs are coming. That's gonna kick butts. A couple Batmobiles. Kinda cool. This old outboard, older than me, it still works. Spice McKenzie. Corner. Yoda about to get proper. About this darn neon thing the other day and it's already out. Now the spuds. These things work. I had to buy them. I got the boxes for them. These things are my pride and joys. These are most expensive and hard to get. Those two G.I. Joe divers are older than me. 63 and 64. That thing. Alfred E. Newman, all his stuff is crazy expensive. These antique toys, they all work, and I have the boxes in my closet. I love them. They smoke, they move around, kind of like animatronics. Animatronics. Here's a Han Solo and Carbonite. When it's dark, it lights up pretty good. There's a light thing. Funny story. I thought eBay sent me a broke toy. I couldn't turn it on, and I was talking to my cousin Trini. And I banged the side and I accidentally hit the button. Then it turned on. I was alright! Here's that one I bought at the Puyallup Fairgrounds.
Good evening, Larry.
Very scary. Watch cartoon. All the dive spots didn't dive yet. Deep sea dive Lego. Badass. Got a couple sodas in there. 10-ounce sodas. I love them. There it is, guys. New updated version. That's where I like to chill out. Drink some tea. In my chair there, my comfy chair, my tea, listen to radio. Think about the day. Well, it is, guys. I don't know how much more time I have on this.
Francis Bacon once tried to test me. I ate his liver with some fava beans and nice Chianti.
All right. Peace out.